Inflation's hit hard, you know? It's not just the little extras anymore. Families are struggling to cover basic stuff like rent and car payments, so eating out is definitely off the menu.
I was talking to Stephen Kibble, this financial guru, and he's seen it too. Those casual weekly dinners out. Now they're a once-a-month luxury, if that.
The scary part is how everything's getting pricier. Healthcare, groceries, and if you want a night out, add babysitting to the bill. No wonder people are cutting back on dining out.
It's like this financial house of cards, right? Every buck counts. You've got to be careful with spending when basic living costs keep going up.
Even when you look at investing, it's a whole different ball game now. Warren Buffett, that big shot investor, he's got this simple test for buying stocks, but even he's advising caution.
Bill Ackman, another one of those billionaire investors, he's keeping his portfolio super focused. Seems like simplicity is the new trend in the investment world.
You know about that M2 money supply thing? It's decreasing for the first time since the Great Depression. That's a big red flag for the economy and the stock market.
Diversification in investments isn't always the smart move. Some investors are putting a large chunk of their portfolio in just a few stocks, taking the less is more approach.
There's this talk about a coming bull market. Might be a good time to look into growth stocks, especially ones that didn't do so hot last year but could soar this year.
And then there's AI, artificial intelligence. It's not just tech stuff, it's about productivity now. Some analysts think AI is the key to big growth.
Medicare Advantage plans, man, they're trapping a lot of older Americans. The coverage isn't what it's cracked up to be, and the sales tactics misleading.
Okay, check this. There's a debate on whether Georgia's election system is even constitutional. That's going to court, and it could change a lot of things.
You heard about that Alaska Airlines flight with the blowout? The National Transportation Safety Board is on it, trying to figure out what caused that scary situation.
Investors are losing big by betting against stocks. The Magnificent Seven firms, for example, have seen a huge surge, causing major losses for those who shorted them.
NIO, the car company, they're doing better than expected with their latest delivery numbers. It's a big deal for them and their investors.
If you want steady income in 2024, high-yield dividend stocks might be the way to go. They promise good returns over time.
There's this prediction that the S&P 500 could really go up this year. If the Fed's done raising rates, that's good news for the stock market.
And Bitcoin ETFs, they might launch soon. Sure, there are fees, but the advantages for investors could be worth it.